From this point, lead the lady into her counterclockwise rotation in front of you, so shift your weight to the right leg and use your right hand to first gently lead the partner in front of you, then draw a small circle in the air to initiate her spin, same as we did before. Then let go and loosely connect your right hand with the lady's back. As she finishes the rotation, rotate your body counterclockwise in sync with her, keeping your weight between your legs but slightly more toward the right one. At the same time, place your left hand between the partner's shoulder blades. Your right hand should be lower on her back, partly her left side. Keep in mind that your task is to sort of join the lady's rotation, rotate a bit with her, then help her stop the rotation and stay in balance as she raises one of the legs. Ladies, now rotate counterclockwise along a straight line, left leg, right, left. Use the last step to finish the rotation, ending up with your right side to the partner and your left side to the audience. At the same time, place your right arm on the man's shoulders, reaching rather far. Dynamically raise your left leg, bending your knee, and dynamically rotate your head away from the partner to your left side. Focus on ending up with your center of mass precisely above the standing leg. Let's turn around to show this position from the front. So again, ladies, rotate along a straight line. Focus on ending the rotation precisely in front of the man. With the last step, place your right arm on his shoulder. At the same time, raise your left leg. Left foot should be close to the right knee with the toes pointing down. Engage your core, keep your back straight, position the left hand on the left like this. If you have trouble keeping your balance, try bending your right knee just a bit so it's not fully extended. Exiting this pose, turn to the partner, bring your feet close to each other and place your weight between your legs. We'll get to that in the next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then on the count of 7, 8, the lady goes back to a neutral position, but we'll cover that in a moment.